This world has room for everyone.
Wait up,
Can
wait up,
provide
what?
for everyone. A way of life can be free and beautiful. We have lost the way. Greed has poisoned men's souls. Has barricaded the world with hate. Has goose-stepped us into misery and bloodshed. We have developed speed. We have shut ourselves in. Machinery that gives abundance has left us in want. Our knowledge has made us cynical. Our cleverness hard and unkind. We think too much. We do too little. More than machinery, we need humanity. More than cleverness, we need kindness, gentleness. Without these qualities, life will be violent. All will be lost.
Unplug it, unplug it. There's one on that window, right? Yeah.
Those who condemn me, I say, do not despair. The misery that is now upon us
Can't
is
see.
the passing of greed, the bitterness of men who fear the way of human progress. The hate of men will pass, and dictators die. And the power they took from the people will return to the people. And so long as men die, liberty will never perish.